Alrighty. Um, let me. All right. So I didn't work on this at all. Yesterday I was working on something else. So let me see again. I want to see. Actually, I don't need this on at the moment. Get stats. Okay. So what we want to do is put an invalid thingy in here, and we want it to show up below. Um, yeah, and I need to figure out why it's not showing up. So let's try, first of all, to make sure that we didn't severely mess something up. By going to get stats, and then we want to go to the source, and in properties, we want to, actually, let me make sure this is right. Okay, yeah. So in properties, where is that specific property? Yeah, so we want to take this outside. Oh, yeah, we want to take this outside. Actually, we don't even need to do that. We could just do props here, but we want to do this after this. Bam. Just as a, yeah, just as a test. I think that's fine. Let's build the project, and then let's launch this bad boy up again. It's already here, but just in case, let's restart that. And then, okay, so it's not. Oh wait. It's probably also because it has nothing in it by default. When we change it, we are calling the correct thing, right? Space GD. Space GD. Why is it not working? That's so lame. Callback. Oh, duh. Because we want update error. And then, yeah, we do set the string of test prop. So that is fine. So let's go back and make sure that we see this, but let's make we want to make the visibility true, and yeah, we want that to be something. Studio, yep. Oh, there it is. So here it does show something, meaning that it is visible. I want this to go back to being that. And the visibility by default, let's just go back to how it's supposed to be. And then let's go back up to the callback itself. And then let's test this. So let's make sure we're getting in this spot in the first place. So let's open this up in the terminal. I am on the right scene, right? Yes. And right monitor. Yes, sir. All right, so if we go here, and then we edit something, so oh, it still messes that up, but that's whatever. At this point, I just wanted to show this. How do you prevent that though? I don't know, maybe there's a clever way of... Yeah, we'll see. But for now, let's get this working. So it is updating properly, and it's based off of this, which it should be. Right. it is not showing this. So we want, ooh, not there. We want this to be run when we have an invalid, which all this is invalid. Okay, so we are getting in the right spots. And let's make sure that we are setting we want to set let's do test %s. This will be OBS data get string, the string in get source context dot settings test prop. So actually we could put in an integer here too, and then so we make sure that's visible. If it's not visible, none of this matters. Yeah, so, and then this will be OBS data get bool is this what I want? No. Test prop. Yes, so that's what I want there. But for this one, see if the OBS property get visible. Properties get OBS. So, oh my gosh. Properties info get source. Oops, I don't want. Actually, I'm pretty sure you can keep that there. Hold on. Let me just try it real quick. Set visible. Okay. So how do you get the visibility of a property? Set visible. Yeah, so it's just visible, not get visible. Can you search backwards? There it is, it's capital F. I'm a genius. W guess. So find V, and then we put an underscore here. Too few arguments in 570. What are we missing? Oh yeah, we want test prop. So this is not visible. That is the problem. The visibility is not changing when we change it here. But why? Info data. which property did I pass into here? Update data. Oh no, update error. I passed in repo prop. I don't want that to be reset though. If I just change this to the other one, will it break? Test prop. That's what I have the pointer set to, right? No, it's just test. Then we go up here to update error. And then we change this. We want to use this. And we could say, instead, the property, this is from text prop. Oh, I see. So we can replace all of this with property, I think. Get back up there. Thank you. Property. Yes, yes. And then this one will be the same thing. Why don't we just delete? Oh, wait, no. Change in that. Oh, wait, hold on. Sorry, this one. Change in that. And then we can say, this will be property. And then we want to set this to false. And then we could try that again. Uh-oh. Repo prop is not used now. You're so right about that. Which means we can take the lazy route and just do this. God, I'm a genius. Alrighty. Bink, bonk. Oh, that was kind of unintended. I like that. That adds the insertion. Why isn't this printing anymore? Oh, that's why I linked it to this. I'm a little silly for that. Discard. Okay, undo everything I just did. All right. Why wouldn't it change? Why wouldn't it change? We get in here, info, get source, context.settings, and we set test prop to check invalid repos. And so the text one gets it, but the visibility does not change. even though we told it to change. And we did print it out before we returned true. Oh! Oh, that's because that's before the update even happened. So that's not going to be useful. Do the properties get called when we update this? Because that could actually be an issue. I didn't think about that till now. Because it'll just reset to what the default value is. Ooh, what did I do? 656. What is this? Oh, right. Wait, no. That should not be that. That should be tests. Where is it? Am I blind? Yes. $584. Repo prop is unused. Okay. I don't need you anyway. Oh, yes we do. Yes we do. I lied. I didn't reset what test. I don't need tests in there. I need repo props. Yes, repo prop is in there. There it is. Alright, so we load up properties. It loads once. We change something. It's not loading until, does it reload then? Yes, okay. So it's getting those properties. So what I want to do is I only want to set it set default int. The context settings. So I can just do that for I'm kind of cooking something crazy right now. What do I use test actually? Oh, I see now. So that's going to be that. And then we'll create it. Okay, how did they initialize that in the one I was looking at? I wish I saved that. What is this? In APM. Interesting. Anyway, so, what did I look up? OBS text info is what I looked up, I think. Actually, you know what is how to see GitHub history. That's not what I wanted. That's also not what I wanted. Okay, that's fine. I'll just go through my browser history. Recently closed tabs. Oh, that's not what. Oh, why did I do that? I wanted just to see my whole history. There we go. No, that's also not what I wanted. Recently closed tabs. Bro, what the? Why can't I see my whole history? Manage history. Where's that open again? Oh. It was yesterday. And I don't remember when it was. Resolves, Waybar. Here it is. Give me that. So, is this in properties? No. So do they change the string in here? Ooh, that might be smart. They set stuff to be visible or not visible. But in the properties, actually, you know what? Let's just get the visibility working first. So I want, yes, oops. Is there a default visibility thing? Is this the same thing twice? Visible. Is there a default? Default. Actually, set visible. It's a bool. So I think we can just use OVS. Bro, why do I keep doing that? Oops. Bro, what just happened? Undo. Bro, what the? There we go. That's weird. Anyway. So if I set OBS, I did it again. OBS. Bro, I suck. Don't even know how to type on a keyboard. First test, I lost it. That's not what I wanted. I wanted it down here. Yeah. So it'll be, oh yeah, here we are. G, oops, not GG. I wanted G underscore. 20 up. So G underscore, property. Actually, we don't set this value here. We just want to go to defaults. Why do I set defaults here? Who knows? I'll figure that out later. So we want to OVS data set defaults bool for settings and test prop to be false. And then each time we load the property, or yeah, each time we call on the properties function, we don't want to manually set it, which I already deleted, so we're cool. Oh, I kept some of that? 575. Find P. Delete. Probs 574. What was this before? Oh, OVS properties underscore T. And then test is what, not used? Yeah. So that we could just do this, and then we'll be all good. Oh yeah. Now let's see if it updates. Oh, I'm a genius. Okay, so now that is working properly, just as we wanted. So now it should go away. Uh-oh, it didn't go away. Oh, there we go. Just hadn't updated yet. But, uh, I kind of want it to call on its own as well. Uh, but how do you know the properties when it was up? Honestly, updating this a bunch of times while they're typing wouldn't be bad. I don't want to worry about that. I do want to worry about the cursor going back to the beginning, though. So, good stuff on the callback, because that was kind of confusing to try to figure out how to do all that. So, oh, that was piercingly loud. So let us, first of all, change the test name. This should be error message. Actually, let's be more specific. Repo error message. Find underscore. Good. Now wherever we had text prop. Oh. What? It should be in the callback somewhere, right? Yeah. Oh, I probably typed text prop. We want to replace with repo error message. Same with down here. Repo error message. And then I'm going to stop typing that because it's kind of getting on my nerves. We want to replace text prop with repo error message. And then we should be all good. Oh, wait. I'm on the other. Delete. Alrighty. So, if we go in here, I still have some sort of debug thing. But if I type whatever, 10 seconds, it should have updated with the message. Cool. I don't like that this changes size, but it's whatever. Yeah. That beginning thing needs to be fixed. Because that's annoying. Okay, that last character isn't considered, but that's fine. And also, this needs to be classified as an error message. So this needs to be OBS text error, or no, OBS info error, because I want that to be read and apparent to the user. OBS text info, or OBS text info error. Is it really all that? Implicit declaration. Okay, what am I missing? At what? Ooh, what was even the function? Oh yeah, add text. Add text. And then it is if we set it as OBS text info, then the types are OBS text info error. Yeah, did I spell it wrong? OBS text info error. Oh, I'm silly. This is OVS text info, and then we want to OVS, what was it called? OVS property text set info type. OVS property set text info type of test or of error message to OBS text info type, or no, error, I think, if I remember that correctly. And then we can GC, oh, wait, we can't GC like that. Oh, I was close. Is it period or repeat? No, definitely not. Was it? I just flipped those, so it's text set. Error message is this. Error message. Bam. Now it should be red. If I put something in here. I put something in here because... Yep. Awesome. Oh, I got the last one on that one. Oh, I guess it doesn't matter. Anyway, let's get rid of that here. And then we're all good. Alright, so... I forgot to start my Pomodoro timer. Let's start it now. Get that going. Love that that's working now. Yeah, so let's go ahead and mark that off in the to-do. Oops. Figure out a way to do pop-ups. Yeah, I think this is fine. This was a good find. Yes, I still need to do that, but I got this to work. And this too. So now I just need to figure out how to get the cursor not to reset. Ready is to use the info, figure out how to update the property. Yeah, got that. Oh yeah, and one more thing after that is to tell user it's actually an error. Prepend error to the string. Alright, cool. So I'm pretty sure that's all I did in this one. Oh wait, what was test val? I don't think I ever used this. Let's see, let me build it again and then make sure it's still working. Blah. Oh, I hope I can actually see it. Oh, there we go, it updated. Alright, cool. We're cooling. Alright. Or maybe we don't do that. Maybe we prepend invalid to it. Find capital E? Oh, well, I typed ours, but that works anyway. CIW. Oh my gosh. All right, cool. Quit. So let's do get diff again. Make sure I'm not missing anything. Wait, why is that still in there? Oh, I didn't save. Try it again. Get diff. There we go. Invalid time passed. It's important. Test prop. Oh, that's not gonna work. Defaults. So this is on. That's down here. So this is going to be error message, I think. Repo error message. All right. Yeah, and that's pretty much all we needed, right? Repo prop. Oh yeah, because I did need the pointer to that now. Build it, make sure. Very cool. Commit. This is a feature, and we added. Well, let me turn this down. We added error repo error messages. Oops. Can't forget that. All right. So now I want to figure out how not to reset the user's cursor. I wonder if you can just no, because it'll reset the whole thing. I guess we could make it a button, but I kind of don't want to. I want to make it automatic because that would be nice, but get locale. What does this even do? Changing is the first person. That's not helpful. How do other plugins handle? Well, a lot of it's buttons. So, like, come over here and do. Actually, I don't want to edit this right now. Let's do Can you specify what's in here? No. I want to give something that's invalid. If we do oh, it only takes valid ones. Oh, it has to be a text file. Man. Okay. Oh, I could make it. When does init run get changed? Because then, if we call properties again, and I put that behind. Ooh, that might be a problem with opening the properties back up. Because it's not that it's in the same group. Which means everything will get updated. Yeah, I don't quite know how to fix this problem right now. So when we call the callback, I wonder if I can be like, So for the repo props, if we put it up here and then say if not this, then or wait, this will have to be up here. Then we recreate this. Oh no, because that property has to be created. Because it has to be created before you can even try using this. Hmm. Mm. I do not know. I might come back to this later because I need to think about this. Because what else do I have left? That's pretty much it. I do need to refactor and whatnot, but yeah, let me think on this one. And it's such a simple problem too. It's just the cursor is going back to the beginning. It should not be the case. Yeah, we'll figure that out later. But while we're at it, let's go ahead and rename this. Oops. There it is. Alright, cool. Let me, real simple, but let me add that too. All right. Coolio.